Welcome to a deep dive into the high-tech world of industrial condensed milk production and global distribution.
This sticky and sweet kitchen staple undergoes a complex transformation from raw milk to the final can.
Every day, thousands of gallons of fresh, raw milk arrive from local farms to begin the process. Rigorous testing for fat content and purity is mandatory before the milk enters the factory's closed system.
As the milk is filtered longer, please subscribe to our channel for more exclusive industrial manufacturing tours today.
Standardizing the milk ensures that every single can of the finished product has a perfectly consistent texture. The milk is heated to specific temperatures to destroy microorganisms and stabilize the proteins for evaporation later.
For sweetened condensed milk, massive quantities of sugar are dissolved into the liquid to act as preservative.
Vacuum evaporators remove 60% of the water content without scorching the delicate dairy sugars or proteins.
Operators monitor the concentration levels using advanced sensors to ensure the milk reaches its signature thick density. Rapid cooling is essential to maintain a smooth mouthfeel and prevent the formation of large sugar crystals. Lactose crystals are added to induce fine crystallization, ensuring the final product remains silky and never gritty. While the milk cools, and thousands of empty cans are sterilized and prepped for the high-speed filling process.
Specialized nozzles fill hundreds of cans per minute, with zero waste or dripping on the outside surfaces.
The seaming process must be airtight to prevent any contamination and ensure a long industrial shelf life.
Every batch passes through leak detection systems to guarantee the integrity of the packaging before final distribution.
The cans are cooked under pressure to ensure they are shelf-stable for years, without any refrigeration needed.
Robotics handle the high-volume movement of finished goods, reducing human error and increasing the overall factory efficiency.
High-speed labelers apply brand information and nutritional facts before the cans are grouped for bulk shipping today.
Automated palletizers organize the products into interlocking stacks, ready for the loading docks and global export markets.
Logistics teams coordinate the departure of hundreds of pallets daily to reach supermarkets across the entire world.
Final checks on consistency and taste ensure that the factory's strict quality standards are met every day.
Daily sanitation of all machinery is critical to prevent bacterial buildup in this high-volume food processing facility. When production pauses, the cleaning crew takes over to ensure the facility remains sterile for tomorrow's run.
Preventive maintenance on the steam system is vital for keeping the evaporation and sterilization processes running smoothly.
Digital tracking allows the factory to manage its supply chain and ensure on-time delivery to international clients.
Every can is etched with a batch number and origin date to provide full traceability for consumers.
Sourcing high-quality sugar is just as important as the milk itself for creating a premium shelf-stable product.
Homogenization prevents the fat from separating during the long storage life of the finished and canned milk.
Sustainability is integrated into the complex, as wastewater is treated and returned to the local environment.
Modern dairy manufacturing relies heavily on high-speed data to coordinate thousands of moving industrial mechanical parts.
Efficient heat exchange is the secret to reducing energy costs while maintaining the highest dairy product quality.
Maintaining precision tools is a daily task that prevents mechanical failures and production delays in the factory. Automated scales reject any underfilled cans to ensure every consumer receives the exact amount listed on label.
Stretch wrapping secures the load for long-distance transport through various climate conditions during the global shipping process. The industrial journey ends in your kitchen, where this sweet cream adds flavor to your favorite recipes. Renewable energy helps power the massive cooling systems required to store milk before it is finally processed.
Keeping the pumps in peak condition is essential for maintaining the vacuum needed for the dehydration process. High-volume production allows the factory to meet the needs of food manufacturers and retail customers around the world. Clean-in-place technology allows the factory to sanitize internal pipes without disassembling the entire production line every day.
Automated can handling reduces the risk of physical contamination and ensures a steady flow to the fillers.
Periodic internal inspections ensure there are no cracks or buildup that could compromise the dairy product's safety.
The double seam technique creates a permanent airtight seal that preserves the thick and sweet milk for years. Advanced safety screening identifies foreign objects that traditional detectors might miss, ensuring total peace of mind today.
Opaque wrapping protects the products from sunlight exposure during long sea voyages to far-off international trade ports. Maintaining a clean uniform supply is a small but vital part of the factory's overall hygiene strategy. Constant monitoring of the production floor ensures safety for the workers and security for the food supply. Precise temperature control during the crystallization phase is the key to achieving the perfect creamy milk texture.
Real-time inventory management prevents stockouts and ensures that retailers always have fresh products on their shelves.
Behind the machines, a large team of planners and managers coordinate the factory's global and massive operations. Employees often enjoy the products they help create during their well-earned breaks in the factory's modern cafeteria. High-speed coding allows for accurate tracking of every individual unit throughout the entire global supply chain network.
Landscaped areas surrounding the complex help reduce noise and improve the aesthetic impact on the local community.
Continuous water quality testing ensures that the factory's outflow meets all local environmental and safety regulatory standards. Hot steam destroys any potential contaminants, ensuring the cans are medically clean before the thick milk enters. Rapid repairs are essential for minimizing downtime in a factory that operates on a continuous production cycle. Specialized adhesives ensure that labels stay firmly attached even during long-term storage in varied global humidity levels. Safety is a top priority, as the facility is equipped with advanced systems to protect life and
Keeping the warehouse floor clean prevents dust from settling on finished goods and ensures a safe workplace.
Reaching the correct thermal kill time is the most critical step for ensuring commercial and safe sterility.
Continuous employee education on food safety and lean manufacturing helps maintain the factory's high world-class industrial standards. Redundant data systems prevent production stoppages by ensuring that all automated machines can communicate without any interruption.
All-weather operations are made possible by covered docks that protect the raw milk and finished goods.
Maintaining accurate measurement tools is essential for compliance with international food weights and measures trade regulations.
High-temperature drying ensures that uniforms are not only clean, but also free of any remaining moisture buildup.
Conductivity sensors automate the concentration of detergents in the cleaning system to ensure consistent and safe results.
Vertical conveyors save floor space and allow for more efficient material handling in this very large complex.
Regular visual inspections of the infrastructure are a key part of the factory's comprehensive preventive maintenance program.
Precise glue application prevents label wrinkling and ensures that every can looks perfect on the retail shelves.
Magnetic separation is an additional layer of safety that protects the equipment and the final food products.
Automated packing increases the throughput of the factory and reduces the risk of repetitive motion work injuries.
Accurate scanning ensures that the roadage for
Every surface in the processing area is coated with materials that actively inhibit the growth of bacteria.
Weekly tests ensure that the backup systems are ready to take over in any sudden power emergency. Employee health is a priority, as mega factories invest in wellness programs to reduce the workplace injuries. Managing the biology of the wastewater treatment plant is a high-tech and essential industrial task every day.
The rhythm of production is constant, as one team hands over to the next without any pause.
Green belts surrounding the mega factory reduce the noise and visual impact on the local rural community.
Rapid repairs are the key to maintaining the high-volume output required by the factory's global customers.
Digital testing methods provide results in minutes, allowing the factory to maintain its high speed and efficient flow. As the sun sets, another wave of products is ready to be shipped across the entire country.
Proactive medical care ensures that any minor injuries are treated immediately, keeping the workforce healthy and ready. Every scan is recorded in the central database, providing a complete history of the product's entire journey. High-velocity air curtains create an invisible barrier protecting the food from any potential outside airborne contaminants. Dedicated power infrastructure ensures that the mega factory has the energy needed to run all its machines. Precise cooling rates are the final technical secret to creating a product that stays perfectly smooth forever. Refractive index testing provides an instant and accurate measurement of the total solids and sugar content today. Every can is buffed to a high shine to ensure it looks premium on the market shelf. Mechanical engineering at this scale requires constant lubrication and monitoring to prevent any microscopic sealing errors. Thermal liners protect the product from temperature extremes during transit across the equator to global market destinations. Efficiency targets are met through constant optimization of the heat recovery systems used throughout the entire plant. R&D teams work constantly to refine the recipe and improve the final product's shelf stability. Employee well-being includes access to green spaces that help reduce stress in a high-intensity industrial environment. Perfect label alignment is a key quality indicator that reflects the overall discipline of the factory staff. Custom packaging allows the factory to meet the specific Precision measurement ensures that every mechanical component is replaced before it can cause a production stoppage today.
Water security is essential for the continuous operation of the cleaning and cooling systems in the complex.
From the farm to the table, the quality of the product is verified by those who make. Millions of cans and thousands of workers, and one goal of feeding the entire world every day.
We hope you enjoyed this exclusive look inside the world of a high-tech condensed milk factory.